Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a pleated spiral swipe. I've been seeing this happen a lot on several pages, and I thought I'd give it a shot. So let's see how this works. You're going to be seeing it live for the first time. Let's talk about the colors and get right to it. Let's talk about colors for just a moment here. Starting from this side, we have golden teal, this little piggy submarine, golden Carnecano magenta, this little piggy Whitehaven. Our cell activators for today is lamp black by Amsterdam and titanium white by Amsterdam, mixed with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to I'll explain a little bit of what I'm going to do today. I am going to try to do what I've been seeing a lot of people doing. I think I first saw it with Sheely, and then I've seen August do quite a few of them that have really has me intrigued. So I'm going to try to do a pleated bloom. It might be a pleated swipe. We'll have to see how I feel when I get down to that part of it. So I'm going to lay down my colors, I'm going to do whatever I end up doing, and then hopefully I'm going to be able to get this underneath it to then do my pleat. So we'll see. This has been sitting underneath my bench for quite some time. What it is, it's a cutting board from the kitchen that folds on the side and allows you to aim better. We'll see if it works. So, wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, what I've decided to do is I think I'm going to do a spiral swipe, and that's going to involve flipping this over and taking this spiral and pulling it out to the sides. And wish me luck. This is the first time. Not for the spiral swipe, but what follows. As this develops, let me tell you why I put the black on the bottom, or face up, is because when I turn it over, it's going to be the layer right underneath the white cell activator. And what I was hoping for is exactly what's happening. I'm getting white cells that are ringed in black. And that's what I was hoping for. And it follows all the way out here. Okay. This is where I need luck. Let's see how this goes. Oops, that's not good. Boy, that's pretty right there. Okay, well I got the pleats minus that garbage there. Let me see if I can get the pleats from the other side too. This would be cool if it worked. I mean, I want to keep that. Okay. Let's spin this out and see how it works. Really slow this time. Now, yeah, we can only hope. And a couple more spins, see what happens. I'm going to get it off on that side a little bit because I got all the white on there, but I don't want to mess up my pleats. So I have two choices, and it's not moving. I have two choices. One choice actually now, because I've got canvas that's not covered on the sides, on this side over here. Probably because of the way that I pulled it off the to put it on back on the canvas, because I picked up the canvas itself and that changed its position. So lesson learned. Let's see here. I think I'm just going to have to risk. A lot of paint on the sides that had, paint that went over, and it risks going all over the place. So I'm trying to avoid that. Well, for first attempt, I don't think this was a total failure. So, my inclination would be to repaint this one, but let's come down and look at it. So I'm going to clean up my area and I'll bring you down for a flyover. You notice I did get some very nice cells and some very nice details in the cells, with also the shadow cells back there. They stretch beautifully, and the pleats are there. However, I don't think I got enough coverage for the color layer across the canvas. So in the end run, I decided I'd scrape this and give it another shot.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
So come back on Thursday for a Thursday train, and you'll see my second attempt at this. So until Thursday, y'all have a great day. Bye for now.